Hello everybody and welcome to this New York live trading session. Today we will go again through hold the market, analyze and check what there is tradable, what you can take a look, and the trades that I will be personally watching. During that time you can feel free to ask me anything, use the live chat, and make sure that you subscribe so the next time when I go live you won't miss it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let's do this now. Let's take a look what we have on the market. I know that today there is the bank holiday in United States. I think it's Martin Luther King. So I will not watch and treat market differently. I will watch it as same as I did in the past. I really don't care if there is the bank holiday or anything. I just can expect that market can be either slow or fast, but that doesn't change my view. If I see the setup, I will not hesitate. I will definitely take it if the opportunity pops up. I will start with the DXI as I have always start every week. So I think the DXY can change the direction. First, in the previous week, I was watching it for the move to the upside, but now, how does it looks like? There is the chance that this could be more complex structure, and this can be everything, and we will be going down. Okay, so this can be everything, and we are heading to the downside. So very possible scenario it's over there that we are at a change of the structure. So what does that mean? The market can go to the downside, but we shouldn't be trading based on assumption. We shouldn't be just entering the candles that are moving, because that could resonate with me that I will be first buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling in the same day. So I'm not doing something like that. I want to be disciplined, I want to be organized, and I am always waiting for the confirmation before jumping into the trade. So currently as it stands right now, market is dropping, but I'm not taking in consideration any action. So what does this mean? Am I trading? Am I selling it? Am I buying it? No. I'm just waiting it and sitting there on my hands and waiting for the market to prove me if it is going to the downside. And even if it's going to the upside, it needs to prove me. I shouldn't be just jumping in the trade, because that makes no sense for me. And this is where most traders are losing their money, because they are entering based on assumption, because they think that they know where the market is heading to. They are not waiting for the market to confirm. That's where the most traders are doing the big mistake, jumping in when they see some volatility. And what could as well happen over there, in case if you're buying it, price would be just going down and down. You will be keep buying, and you keep buying, and then you will say, you know what, I think that the market's going to the downside, and you will start selling it. Okay, so you'll find somewhere there to sell. What the price will do, it will go up. I can bet on that this happens probably to you already. It did happen to me as well. I know how it looks like, but it feels like a shit when that happens. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes it, but there is the solution to fix it. I'm using it, and that's why I'm never in this kind of situation anymore, because it was very shit situation when I was losing money in this kind of examples, in these scenarios, because this looks still like a buy. This still can go buy, and if you will start selling it, look what will happen. This could be either one more leg higher and then going down into this pullback. So what could happen? You will start selling, market will go up, you will sell more, it will go up, you will say, it's going up, you will start buying, the market will go down. You see, you will be always in the wrong direction. So that's why I'm not doing that anymore. I am very, very, very disciplined and waiting for market to prove me where it is about to move. Then I get into the trade. So for example, over there, will I take the sell? Of course I will not. I'm supposed to be the seller already from the top, but that's not the sell setup for me. Look at that one. That's definitely not a sell setup. If I take this off, does this look like a sell setup? Of course it doesn't. This could be this kind of the movement, which is very, very similar in structure. Look at that one. It's going down. Same there. This could be the part of this expanded flat. And then what will happen? We will be just heading to the upside and there will be no single sell setup. But if you are involved and your focus is on candles, what could very fast happen? You will start selling those candles, and this is where problem lies. You will miss the buy, which could be in fact very nice one. So for example, if you're watching this, it's going down, 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 and down, and down, you will start selling it and the market will just go up. I won't do that. If I will be selling, I will have to wait for the structure to tell me where it will move. But for now, that's a buy setup. Buy setup until it proves me that's a sell stop. But if this is the buy setup, I'm still not buying it. You're probably now asking, what the fuck? What am I doing? No, I am waiting for the market to tell me where is it going to go. I have the assumption. I have the idea where it can go, but I'm not entering the trade. I'm not opening trades based on my assumption, based on my feeling. I never do that. Never. I am always waiting for the market to prove me. Show me something before I get in. Give me some confirmation. Give me some pattern that I can rely on all the time, so I will not be jumping the gun and trading based on my assumption. I'm supposed to always take trades based on market confirmation and then be trading in the direction of my assumption and in the direction of the structure. I'm not assuming anything anyway. I'm always in the direction of the structure, never ever violating any structure, because market is always telling you. Market will always tell you what he's doing, how he will go and when he's ready. So this is exact moment where I have to wait, sit on my hands, not be involved with any decision or any rush. I shouldn't rush over there. Because if I do rush, I'll be buying, price will go down. I'll be buying, price will go down. I'll be buying, price will go down. And I will say, okay, I missed it. What the price will do? It will go up. It will go up, but I lose money. Even if I catch it from the total bottom, I will not get enough money, because if I lose there too much, I cannot be positive. I will not be making enough to make this for a living. So I have to be very, very organized, very structurally organized. I will be waiting. I will see how this one will go now. This is the 1, 2, 3. This is the something like this, and I will be watching this last part of the structure. It can even do something like this and then go down, and then from tomorrow we may be buying it for one leg higher. But then this definitely will go into much more complex structure over there. It has to. This trade will not be longer anyway. So today I wouldn't be trading dollar pairs. Any dollar pair would not give me the chance today. Maybe tomorrow there will be the chance, but definitely not today. Not today. I don't see anything. Just skip it. I will go through them just to comment it. Look at that one. If I will be buying this, I need a pullback and then I will take a buy. That means this one needs to give me the pullback for sell, and then this movement, right? Either of them will have to confirm So that's why I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it from any of these places. Nothing. So this can still go to the downside. Be careful. Very, very possible movement that this could go a little bit down, then going up, and then it will go down tomorrow. Very, very, very possible movement that we could still see over there. That means that DXY, the dollar, has to go one more leg higher. That also resonates with our strategy, with our DXY. This one more leg lower, higher, sorry, and then going lower. This upside and then lower. That's not a buy setup over there as it stands right now. Don't buy there. Wait for sell. All right, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Not today. There's nothing to be traded, or it can even struggle over there. Price can be within this range over there. Price can be within this range over there. It can go a little bit up and then going down and then going up and then to go down, and then from there we will start seeing some buys. Very easy to understand. Very easy. I don't see anything else over there. Really. So let's move forward. Pound USD, same there. Look at that one. That's much more sell than buy. This for one leg lower and then going higher. That really means DXY has to go one more push to the upside. And these, all of them, go down one leg lower and then going up. So I don't think there will be the buy. Really, I don't think. But anything can happen during the night or till tomorrow morning. We could have there some pullback that will totally change its direction. Okay, if something like this will happen, then I will take a buy. I will take this buy definitely. But until I don't have something like that on the chart, I'm not taking any action. I'm just talking about charts, just observing it and not doing anything. But this move, very, very, very possible. This to go down, back at the bottom. But big move will be to the upside. Big move will be to the upside. USD, this one, if it wants to go up, it has to confirm it. But I don't do anything right now. I'm waiting for confirmation as well over there, because this can still be the part of the correction as well over there. Let me take everything off so the picture will become much more clear to you. If I will be buying it, I will wait for the confirmation. I will wait for the pullback. I am not gonna take the trade from where it stands right now. Because price, what it could do, the price can just do something like this, go a little bit higher and then going lower to complete this big huge expanded flat, and then one more leg lower, revisit all those lows, and then to start to change. Very, very possible. And this is the reason why I'm waiting over there for the market to prove me what is it going to do. I'm not involved in these candles that are moving, so I supposed to not do that. Here is where I took a stop loss over there. I was seller from there, and market just reversed. Simple. Still not buy. That's still not buy. It doesn't mean if it breaks that it's the buy. All right. If that breaks, it's still not a buy. What bothers me over there is this one. Let me take that off. Look at that one. Where the market is currently located is this one. Look at that one. AB equals CD. Look at that one. This is the problem. And if this is so, you have to be careful. You should know how to trade it. You have to keep in mind these kind of scenarios so that you don't lose money for nothing. I'm not saying you're supposed to be afraid, but you need to know how to trade it. You have to understand how structures like this and possibilities like that could influence on the market. Okay, so this movement can happen, and even extension to break those lows, and then we will be buying it. This everything will just become one bigger structure over there. All right, and still wave to the upside will be there. Okay, the wave to the upside will still be interested one. Let me move on 4 hour. You see, 4 hour, it's still there. It is just extending. Okay, this is the AB CD. All right, and this now to go one more leg lower. Very good movement. I would probably go for that move because it is making sense personally. It is making sense over there. More than a buy, but buy. I would even take a buy, but I would need a setup. I would need a pullback. I need this pullback. I'm not just buying it over there. Look at that one. Because if I do decide to buy, I cannot buy that high without any confirmation, without any pullback. This is just not making sense, because what will happen if you're just jumping in the trade without having any confirmation, without being organized, without knowing how to trade it, when to trade it, without waiting? Look what will happen. You will bot there. Where would you place your stop loss? Probably somewhere there. Congratulations. The pullback will stop you out there as well. There, very possible. There, too big stop loss. Then how much you will be making if chart moves? You make 1-to-1. That's not making sense. This is how people are trading who don't want to lose. These are people with these big stop losses are trading that people with these are the people that don't want to lose, and they are trading to show up. They want to show to everyone that they are the winners. They don't lose. That's the problem. You shouldn't be trading like that. That's not a proper entry point. Not your entry, it's not optimized. You need to optimize your entry points, because if you don't optimize your entry points, you will not be making enough money. You will be making 1-to-1. The maximum that you will get out of trade will be 1-to-2, and you will be celebrating. You shouldn't do that. If you will optimize your entry point and entry technique, then what will happen? You will start making more money. When you will lose, you really won't care about it, because when you will lose, you will lose -1%. But when you will win 5, 6, 7, or 8%, even 10% per trade. This is what you'll win. You will win very, very strong, very big. So you will not even care about losses. Your losses won't be any more emotional, and you will be easily absorbing the losses, because you will know that losses are nothing versus how much you are making. Hello everyone. Yes, the new week is there, definitely. I'm fully ready, fully motivated, fully rested. What about you? Are you guys ready to make some money this week? We should make nice money. Yes, we are waiting. We always wait for good setups. When the good setup appears, bang. The previous week, Pound Aussie, what it was. Perfect setup. I make a lot of money over there on Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie was something that I make a lot of, and I also make money on Aussie Chief. And this is worth of waiting trades, because I'm making a lot of money on those kind of setups. When I wait, when the setup appears, bang, I push hard. Alright, so this chart needs to tell us what it will happen over there. Still possible, but like I said, if buy will appear, we will have to wait for the pullback and sell. It's still open over there. Okay, very simple to understand. You just have to be disciplined. You just have to think from the bigger mindset perspective. Look at that one, USD Chief. USD Chief, it's a very good example. Why this is not the sell stop? Okay, so how many? I can bet now on that there are a lot of traders already triggering the trade for sell over there. Many traders are triggering now trades over there for nothing. Or let's use some fancy Nancy words that they are using. They are waiting for liquidity to be taken out, okay, because they are having some insider information probably. Okay, they are waiting this low to be taken out. Okay, so what they do, they will be waiting and price will go do this, and then out of nowhere it will just bounce off. We will have to wait for this bounce. We will have to wait for this chart to settle down, because breaking out of structure doesn't mean we are selling. Trend line is just there as the indication. Breaking of trend line doesn't mean that we are taking sells. These things needs to be clear. You shouldn't be jumping the gun from the setups like this, because this can still extend and extend and extend. All right, this can go and extend and extend and extend and still be the buy setup. This is still the buy setup for me. Many of people will go crazy and they will say, oh, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. No, it's still the buy setup. But the question is when this move will appear. This is the moment we have to catch. This is the moment where the money lies. If this is going down like this, that doesn't mean there is the money. That's shit money. There isn't any money. And going down, seeing the red candles, seeing doji, hammer, I don't know whatever you're calling those candles, that doesn't mean there is the sell. It doesn't mean that there's a sell. You need a structure. You need something to prove to you that the market will change its direction. In this case, I really don't see that one coming. If this happens, I will miss it, but definitely for sell, I will be waiting for something to confirm me before I will take this sell, before I will load the gun over there. Otherwise, I'm still waiting for a buy setup. That could happen. This buy over there can happen even today. It can start its move by the today. Because of what? There is one option that maybe you don't see. This is one running flat, or if it breaks this low, then this could become expanded flat. And this expanded flat can go and struggle a little bit more, and then to go up, or it can start going up much earlier. Which one will be? I have no idea. I have to wait there. I have to observe the chart. I have to track it. I have to track this chart to see when is it ready before I will take the trade. But I do really believe this is the expanded flat over there hidden inside of it, and it will start going high. This movement has a big probability, and I will definitely go for it. If it will start giving me the signs for entry, if it will meet my criteria for entry, then I will definitely take it. I will take it. But for now, I'm just waiting there, observing and reading what chart is trying to tell me. I'm trying to read the chart and the structure, of course. But very much, I can say that I will cancel this downside. That will not be an option until I will have a structure, until I will have a pullback. Then I will take in consideration that I may then think about taking the sell, but until then, everything is somewhere up there, doesn't exist. It's just like la 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 blah 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 stuff. So yeah, we know what to do. I think very possible it's this one. Very possible this scenario. And even this one is having now this kind of look. This is very possible view that I have over there. I very much believe that this is the move we are going to see, we are going to face over there. Based on that, this downside, pound USD this downside, Oz USD has this expanded flat over there, this wedge in the development, and this going down still. I don't believe this will happen. This sideways will happen. I'm much more for a sell over there. This and then going up. Needs and use the same there. I do believe that this is I will take off for this buy because I don't believe in it. I still believe this is within this structure, and this is a correction for more downside. ABC, and we are going downside. Very highly likely that we will have this downside, and we can even extend all the way downside to this low. Let's take a look. Oh no, I don't think we will be heading there. Okay, just this low, it's possible over there. Maybe this one. I do believe in this scenario. And then this, we just go there, and then we will be heading to the upside. So very possible movement if it doesn't change. Okay, I'm showing you what I will be waiting for, but if that changes, if the structure will change during the night or later in the evening, I will change my view as well. So that's why I have to watch and make a judgment on chart every 5 to 8 hours at least. Constantly looking charts and trying to read what they are telling now. I'm not changing the view every 5 minutes, but I can change the view in 5 to 8 hours. Really possible how this will happen over there now. What will happen there? USD cat, magic, right? Even USD cat, it's saying to me that we are going to the upside. Very likely movement. This is the correction, and we either will have this kind of the movement, this will be the minimum, or we will have the extension one. Which one? I have no idea. But will I take the buy? Yes. I will take the buy. That would be my movement. Okay, so first, this move. This is done already. You see? It's done, completed. So now I am aiming either for this one, or it will be even deeper one. Which one? I have no idea. I will take it and then I will judge it later. When the target will be close, I will make a judgment and see what the price is about to do. I will take this one off, so the structure is very clear, and we see it from the universe how nice and beautiful it is. It's not a sell setup. It's not. High probability for buy. Very high probability for this movement. Yeah, this movement can as well happen during the night today. I don't know. I just have to observe it. I have to watch it. See how it goes. What it will give us. How it will develop. I don't know. We'll monitor definitely. Yeah, so. Once again, to sum up the dollars so you will understand very clear. I will be watching this for buy, not for sell, because breaking out of any trend line doesn't mean the sell. I don't have a sell setup, either a correction or either a pullback. This is what I don't currently have, so that's why I'm not taking the sell. If it is not happening, I'm not taking the sell. Either I'm not taking the buy because buy setup it's not ready yet, so that means I'm staying for the sideways, but my aim is to take a dollar for buy. I want you to understand this, what I'm doing. I'm not trading anything currently, but my assumption, my higher probability is this buy setup. I'll be watching it, observing it, and monitoring very, very closely to take a buy on dollar. That means sell on euro dollar, or pound USD, or Aussie USD, or New Zealand USD, or buy on USD Chief, or buy on USD CAD. One of these will be good setup. For now, nothing yet. But USD Chief, it's showing a nice opportunity, nice risk to reward ratio. It's something that I see over there, but we'll see. Very good, very good, very good moves on dollar. All right, so I will continue just a second. All right, let's go. Let me do some of the arrows are there. This is okay, so perfect. Everything it's clear now. Everything is clear, so that everyone can understand what I'm trying to do. Gold, I don't think so. This will be the buy stop. It's not looking great. It's getting complex a little bit, but this one it's already trying to go. This one's looking great. These move to the upside, and this move, okay, maximum you can get out. And of course the gold, if you like it, it can extend a little bit higher. This will be the maximum, but gold is not something I would trade. GPY, look at that one, guys. Look at that one. GPY drop. That's what I'm saying. Breaking out of structure doesn't mean sell. Okay, because if you draw something like that, if you have a trend line like this, that's why I'm saying that trend lines are pointless. If you don't know how to use it, if you don't understand the structure, you will freak out. You will go crazy, because you need to understand its behavior. Because exactly this is exactly the example where you will be selling it, and what the chart will do, it will take you out for nothing. And you will think that this is the sell, because oh, the structure, it's breaking out this trend line, so oh my god, I have to take a sell. No, that's something you should not do. You have to understand the structure into every detail, into every fractal. You have to understand how structures are structured, how they are developing, how they are moving, how they are fulfilling. Fractals needs to be understood. You need to understand. So, oh, sorry, what has just happened? This is something where market will become very, very, very interested for this leg to the upside. Very, very good, all the way to the upside. You can take a buy. You can take a buy, but not yet. Don't chase it. Wait a little bit more. Don't do anything. This is not a decent pullback that I'm trying to see. I still do believe that we are going one more leg lower, and then we'll start watching it. Okay, so I still do believe this will be the one. This is the 1, 2, 3. This will be the 1, 2, 3, and then this will be 1, 2, and 3. You see? That's how market works. That's how structures are moving. If you don't understand that, then you will have difficulties by reading the market structure, by trading it. I will be waiting. I'm not trading yet, but maybe at the evening, who knows, maybe I'll take a trade. I have no idea. But good one for a buy. Yeah, structure nice, reactions nice. That's it. That's what I'm searching for. Same there. Pound yen, this is going upside. I think this will be this week trade. GPY for buy, amazing. You can make money over there. Definitely something that you can take in consideration as well, and taking buy order. Don't take them all, take just one. All right, don't spam your trades. Look at that one, ABC. Look at that one, ABC, going up and then down. Very, very, very nice. Very good looking structure. Why the EURUSD is ringing? Nothing. I don't know. Where we were? This one, yes. Okay. So this one going up. Watch it. Take a chance if the chance will appear. If you know, if you have the strategy, if you know how to trade it, I believe you will make money over there. New Zealand USD, same there. New Zealand USD, New Zealand yen. Sorry, not New Zealand USD. And what I was saying, New Zealand yen. This one is a step ahead. This one I think is step ahead. So this is the chart that I will not be trading it. But definitely, if you get a pullback, you can take a chance if you are watching New Zealand yen only. All right, good pairs. Good pairs are over there that are currently loading. JPY has a nice opportunity for this buy over there. Good one. New Zealand CAD. What did happen over there? I had a buy over there, took it off. That's it. And now this can go into one more pullback. Why this is moving upward very slow? Because we are within the corrective parts of the structure. Because we are in this movement. Okay. Oh, sorry, this one. This is the third wave of this huge corrective movement. What does this mean? That the market will have deeper pullbacks. It will not move very fast. It will move very slow. That's the interpretation. That's what chart is telling to me. So what could happen over there is that this could be a reversal, but I don't believe that this is the contracting flat and we are going to downside. If this is so, we can take a chance, we can take a sell and see how that will play out. I will not be currently trading it. I have much better opportunity on yen. I see much better opportunity on dollar pair. So I'm not taking any trades over there, but definitely this is the movement. And if lucky, this will break the downside, even breaking that low. Highly likely this can happen. But nothing yet. This was the area to take profit over there out of the market. Also, Chief, I think this is building the sell setup over there. Not something that I will watch. I will take off this one. I'm not watching it. I don't like it. There are many better charts where I'm willing to risk my money. So this is definitely not a chart where I will be risking money, where I will put my money. Much better charts. So skip it. I don't want to waste time over there by talking about Aussie Chiefs. It's not looking great. EURUSD, this is going for one more leg lower, but the structure can get very complex. This can go for one more leg higher and then it can drop, or it will go on another leg higher and then it will drop. This is just to form one more complex structure. I will definitely not be trading it. I don't want to take this trade. I don't like it. The potential, it's not so big, so I would rather skip it. EURUSD, same, nothing there. Skip it. I'll try to speed up a little bit. I don't want to talk about charts that are not ready. You shouldn't watch them, you shouldn't trade them, and just don't waste time there and focus with it. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, it's something that I left one small position, one piece of the position. This was the 1/3 of the position left over there. I will close it as well, and I will take a sell over there in case if this will come up, give me a good entry point, and then I will be selling it. All right, so let me just close this last part, this last 1/3 of the position off, because I don't like to hold it anymore. It's gone and it's going into deeper pullback, so I'm removing last 1/3 of the position out of the market. Very simple. Very simple. All right, so let's go. Let's go forward. US stock, yeah, we will take a look just a little bit. We are almost there. I will speed up with the charts that I'm not watching. So this one, watch it from there. You can buy it if you want. If you feel like that, you can take a buy over there. Pound New Zealand. Give me the 4 hour opinion. No, I need a pullback tomorrow. We will watch this tomorrow. EURUSD tomorrow. We will watch it tomorrow. Nothing there for today. Let's do whatever it wants to do. Pound CAD, nothing there as well. This is trying to do some running flat, but I'm not interested in. It's too risky. It doesn't look good, and just don't waste time. This one is very slow, as we've been talking previous week. Very slow, very annoying movement, and it is moving just like I have mentioned over there. It will go probably in one annoying move to the upside. This one can go now down and up and down and then up and then to down. So don't chase trades over there. Don't trade it, because if you have a buy, I would rather move break even or take them off. This is not something that I would love to put my money in. This is where I will not place and hold money in your GBP, because it will drive me crazy. I don't like this kind of a structure when they are not moving, when they are not ready. I would rather start trading it when the price is ready. Pound Chief, same there, not tradable. This one, same, not tradable for me. Buy it will be much more interested one, in case if it does so. So how far this can go? We have an impulsive movement to the upside. Now we are in the pullback. This going like this and then going up, and this still can be one more leg to downside. So don't trade it. Don't place your money over there. I wouldn't chase it. Catch if going down, but I'm not taking it. It's not looking great. Oops, sorry, that's not looking great. I wouldn't take a trade over there. I don't like it. So, but it's going down, not as I wanted. I would rather let it go down without me, and then I will take in consideration taking over the anything. So I will take it off. I mean, by not watching it anymore. Aussie New Zealand, this is the place where you can watch it for more buy. This is something where you can keep an eye on it. This is the structure. More complex one, but it works. It's going upside, right? So what you can do, keep an eye on it. This is the buy setup. You can watch it. I will delete this one inside of it. I don't want to confuse you. This could be something that we can watch. And yes, very good opportunity to keep an eye on it. This to go all the way up to this 270. Nice money, I think, can be made over there. So how much pips over there? Yeah, 175 pips to be made. Very good one. Very good setup that you can trade and wait for at least. You see? Much better setup. This one, don't take it. This can go up. This will be in the middle of the structure. This will be 1, 2, and 3. More complex structure. It's in development and then going upside. So don't take it. I wouldn't take it over there. Nothing here. UK oil, no. This is getting more complex. This can go up, and then you can maybe watch it for more downside. From there, depends what it will happen over there. If there will be any price action, take it. If not, don't be too aggressive. Don't take risks. Okay, don't take risk in this kind of structure. So normal risk, not being aggressive. It's something how I would trade oil if I will take it. This one same there, very slow. What the heck this trying to do? Take off, take off, take off, take off everything, take off this one, go to the daily. It's trying to go up, but not ready. This this is the problem. 1, 2, 3. So no, this, yes, this is where the chart is struggling right now. Can go lower, yes, it can go. Can go higher, yes, but not as it stands right now. It will go probably higher. This one will drag higher, break this top, and then we will have a deeper pullback. I will not be trading it over there. Yes, very possible. Very, very possible that we are going upside. If we go up, pull back, and no, don't take it. It's too complex, and you will be stuck in the trade that it's not ready, and you can easily lose money for nothing. Use 500. Must go lower, but not ready yet, as it looks like. Very, very slow movement. I would wait for pullback over there. Or total move to the upside. Alright, this move to the upside. This can be something like this. And then going upside. Very, very positive. So US 500, something that I would not trade. Not trading over there. US 30, this is the chart you can trade and watch. This is US, come on. This is the chart you can watch. Okay, that one, and not more than this high. Okay, so I think it will not go past through that high. Yeah, so good setup to watch, monitor it, see how it plays out, see if you can catch a move to the upside, because it's nice. It's nice, worth of risking it, let's say like that, worth of taking the buy. Even if you're stopped out, even if it will not work, it's worth it, because if it works, you'll make a lot of money. Good one, yes. So all those with blue flags are good. With wait, what kind of color is this one? Bright blue. Okay, so nothing, nothing where I will take the trade. Nothing, not confirming, but very, 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 very possible movement is to the upside. Very, very possible move to the upside. UK 100, nope, nothing. Don't do anything. Leave it, skip it, wait it. This one went lower. If you were in from the top, yes, good, great, put it on break even. Let's see if you can maximize your profit back to the trend line. And this will probably be everything, and we will be going for one more leg higher. Definitely nothing that you can trade currently. Bitcoin, one more leg higher. This is definitely a buy stop. This can start going upside. But don't buy, like I said, don't buy. Wait for confirmation, then take a buy. Forget about jumping into the trade. Alright, so this is everything for the market that we are currently having. There are dollars that needs to be watched. Dollars needs to be observed. Very good and nice to keep an eye on it. No matter what, if this pound USD is still pushing higher, that doesn't mean anything. How it moves, it's really, really strange, because anytime soon it can just be downside. Yeah, that's not a buy. That's not a buy. Very possible that we are within this correction on one leg lower. Big chance, big probability is there for sell and buy tomorrow if it will happen, but for now, today, sell. Yes, I still see this, so I will observe this today. I will observe this today. And I'll use the chief. This one, this is very good. So news and USD for sell, and USD chief for buy, and USD CAD. Yes. Oh, I almost forgot. This one's good for buy. Those three. New news and USD, USD chief for buy, and USD CAD for buy. Aussie USD not looking great. Pound USD, I won't take it, and even this one I will not take it. So very possible, very, very possible structure. It's going down, up, and then down. That's what you can see, yes. I don't believe it will break out. I'm very, very sure that this will go into downside. No buy. Buy will be outside of this structure. Will not take any buy before going out of this structure. This is refined. Yes. That's it. This is the last call. Like I said, that's what I'll watch for. It can change, but for now, that's it. This is not a buy. Good one, eh? Good trades. Good trades are setting up, I think. Very, very, very possible scenario. Good. Alright guys, so I will slowly end the webinar right there. Make sure you're staying patient, make sure you're not jumping the gun, jumping in trades that are not ready. Or if you miss them, don't try to catch them on running candles. Catch them when there's the pullback, when there's the setup. I wouldn't chase them when something is gone. I would rather skip it, let it go without me, and then I will take the trade. Alright, so that's it. I'm just scrolling to all of them, so in case I didn't miss anything, I didn't skip anything. Yes, that's it. Yes. All right, everyone. I will end the webinar over there, so make sure you come to next webinar. That's great. You understood. Perfect. So explanation is clear. I love when there is no questions and everything is perfect, clear, and well explained. So if guys those webinar helps you, make sure you hit that like button. That will help to boost the algorithm so that the other traders can see these kind of webinars, because they are more than a needed. Okay, people need these kind of webinars. I received a lot of feedback that people are sending me messages that those webinars help them open the total new view and new perception about the market, how it works, how it develops, how it moves. And by liking it, you will help to other traders as well. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, make sure you're patient, make sure you stick to your plan, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be another New York live stream session. So take care, enjoy your day, and see you.